all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Suraj Suresh. Well, at a time when over 1 crore 45 lakh people have been infected with COVID-19 across the globe, the World Health Organization former virologist Klaus Strohauer, he has gone ahead and said there are possibilities that during the winter season the COVID-19 situation can aggravate, and he's also said that we will have to brace for the second wave at that point in time, because 90% of the population could be infected with COVID-19 at this point. Also what the scientist has also gone ahead and said and warned people is that they will have to go ahead and prepare themselves for the common flu. Now, in US and UK, it is referred to as common flu, but for us in India, it is referred to as common cold or a rhinovirus or influenza like H1N1, dengue might be there, and also your viral fever. So when we are speaking about this, we should first understand which are the major viruses which affect us during the winter season as well as during the rainy season as well. Well, a senior pulmonologist, the head of pulmonology department in the Manipal Hospital, Dr. Satyanarayana Mysore, has said that probably at this point there are possibilities that rhinoviruses as well as the influenza A and B could have an impact on all of you and in turn aggravate the COVID-19 situation.
Both influenza A, H1N1 and the COVID-19 will have similar clinical signs and symptoms. Some of the hospitals which use TrueNat or PCR technique to diagnose COVID may not have the usual PCR cartridge to be used on the same machine for H1N1. So there are going to be a lot of diagnostic issues. A positive PCR for COVID may not rule out a coexisting H1N1.
Now, yes, there are possibilities that these viruses can also affect you, but at the same time, what is more concerning is that probably I might get cold or you might get cold. We might all think that it's just common cold, but there are possibilities that it could also be COVID-19. So there is going to be a hindrance with respect to identifying what this virus is all about, whether or not it is COVID-19 or coronavirus, or is it a normal coronavirus like the common cold. So this is going to pose a lot of problem at the hospitals during the diagnosis and the treatment process.
Usually winter viruses are rhinovirus, respiratory syncytial virus especially in kids, influenza A and B, H1N1, swine flu, and these group of viruses usually create lots of respiratory symptoms, infections, and some amount of hospitalization every year.
Well, yes, there you heard it. Those are a few of the problems, those are a few of the obstacles which the hospitals might be facing. At the same time, there is one way in which all of us could ensure that we do not get the virus, like the winter viruses which are there. We cannot get it. How can you do it? Go to your nearest physician or go to the nearest hospital. Get yourself prescribed for the vaccine booster doses which are there, just to ensure that you have the immunity to ward off all of the other viruses which could affect you in the near future.
So please approach your local physician, doctor, family doctor to get your annual influenza jab, provided there are no contraindications like egg allergy or known hypersensitivity to influenza.
Well, absolutely right. It is time that you head to your hospital, get yourself that immunity booster, and at the same time, one thing which you will have to remember is that you cannot differentiate the symptoms of COVID-19 and the symptoms of common cold or viral fever. What you can do is, if at all you feel uneasy, if you feel that you have those symptoms, visit your doctor. Probably they'll give us a prescription to visit a nearest COVID-19 center, and probably you can get yourself tested, because that is the only way in which you can ensure or you can know whether or not you have COVID-19. Apart from that, keep yourself safe from all the other viruses in winter as well. If you have liked this video, do hit the like button, share and subscribe for everyone to be aware of what is yet to come in India. Well, that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching.